Right now, my mom was feeling bad and she was coughing, and I want you guys to help. I want you guys to hit that like button on my videos and subscribe, please. What I was talking about is, I hope you like and subscribe.